If you've ever landed on a web page in another language and wanted to understand it instantly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to translate a page on Firefox quickly and easily, whether the translation prompt appears automatically or you need to do it manually. This is a super useful feature for reading news, researching topics, shopping on international sites, or just browsing content in a language you don't speak. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tips and browser guides. Now let's get started. First, open Firefox and go to the web page you want to translate. If Firefox detects that the page is in a foreign language, you'll usually see a translation panel pop up automatically. This panel is designed to help you translate the page without needing any extra tools or extensions. When it appears, simply look for the Translate option and choose the language you want to translate into. Firefox will then process the page and display the translated version for you. It's fast, convenient, and great when the automatic prompt shows up right away. But if you do not see the translation panel, don't worry, because there is a manual way to do it. Look at the address bar near the top of your browser window. You should see a translation icon there when Firefox detects a language that can be translated. Click that translation icon, and a small menu or panel should appear. From there, click Translate. Firefox will then begin translating the web page into your preferred language. Depending on the length of the page, it may take a few seconds to complete, but once it finishes, you'll be able to read the whole page in your chosen language. If you want to change the translation language, you can usually do that from the same panel before confirming the translation. That makes it easy to switch between languages whenever you need to. This is especially helpful if you browse multilingual websites regularly, or if you're trying to understand product pages, articles, or instructions written in another language. One quick tip is to make sure your Firefox browser is updated, because translation features can work better when you're using the latest version. Also, if a page is not translating correctly, refreshing the page and trying again can sometimes help. And if the translation icon does not appear at all, it may be because Firefox is not detecting a supported foreign language on that page. In that case, try another page or check your browser language settings. So to recap, if the translation prompt appears automatically, just use the panel that pops up. If it doesn't appear, click the translation icon in the address bar, and then click Translate. That's all there is to it. You can now translate pages on Firefox in just a few clicks and browse the web with a lot more confidence. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more browser tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.